Hello, so today we're going to look at how to do a Python reverse shell. Reverse shell will let you connect back from a remote host back to your local machine. So without further ado, let's run this command, netcat, which is often called netcat. Netcat, we're going to run that on the local machine, and this is going to listen on port 1337. That's now listening on the local machine. Next, I need to establish a connection to remote machine. So I'm going to SSH to my Pi. And once that's established, there we go. We can now run this command, which is Python -Cs for the command switch. And then we're going to import socket, subprocess, OS. Socket will connect on IPv4, and we will connect on this address, which is the address of my local machine. That port, which is the port that we're listening to on we're using netcat, and then OS dupe 2, and then we will use the subprocess core, and we'll run the bash prompt with interactive. So let's copy all that, paste that in. So at the moment on here, we've just got a flashing cursor. We'll run this, press enter, and you can now see on the local machine, we've now got a command prompt. And if we do uname -a, it's telling us that we are on Linux Pi v4, ARM GNU Linux. So we're definitely on the connected to the Pi, and whatever we run on here actually is taking effect on the Pi. So if we do cd home, if we just touch yt video demo.txt, and if we go across onto the Pi, and we will also need to create another tab. Let's just SSH back onto the Pi and ls, and there we have it. That's the video. That's the YT video demo file which we've just created. We've created that from the local machine. So this is a Python reverse shell. The other way to do it is often simpler, but it depends on what access you've got, and that is running from bash reverse, using a bash reverse shell. So that was much simpler, and the syntax for that would be, let's copy this from my notes. Well, not my notes, I'm referring to this website, which is actually very, very good, Akinetic blog web security zone. So if you look at that, you'll see all of the various different options. You've got bash, PHP, Java, Perl, Ruby.